Tired of teammates messing up your carefully arranged diagrams? Learn to hide and lock layers in Draw.io for Confluence and Jira in under 5 minutes. We will open your diagram, access the Layers panel, and then hide and lock layers to protect your work. All right, let us start by logging into your Jira account. Just go ahead and open up your usual Jira instance. Nothing special here. You just need to get to where your project lives. Now, navigate to your diagram. You can find it on your Jira issue or inside your Confluence page, wherever you have embedded that Draw.io file. Just click on it to open the Draw.io editor. It will take a second to load the full editing interface. Now, here's the part that makes this whole thing so fast. Press Ctrl, Shift, and L on your keyboard all at once. That opens the Layers window on the left side of your screen. I use this shortcut constantly in my own projects because it is so much faster than digging through menus. If you prefer the mouse, you can find it under the View menu. But trust me, learn that 3-key combo. It is Ctrl, Shift, L. On a Mac, it is Command, Shift, L. Once that window pops up, you will see every layer in your diagram listed out. So now let us hide a layer. You will see a little eye icon next to each layer name. Just click that eye icon once. When you do, every shape and object on that layer will disappear from your diagram instantly. The layer is still there, it is just hidden. This is perfect for cleaning up your view when you are working on complex diagrams. You can hide reference notes, old drafts, or any visual clutter you do not want to see at the moment. And here is the really important part. Next, lock a layer. Look for the lock icon right next to the eye icon. Click that lock icon once. When it is locked, you cannot edit or select any of the objects on that layer. Someone could click all over your carefully placed boxes and arrows, and nothing will move. I cannot tell you how many times this has saved me from having to redo an entire layout because a teammate accidentally dragged a shape into the wrong spot. Locking a layer protects your work without having to ask anyone to be careful. So there you go. You can now hide layers to control what people see and lock layers to control what people can edit. These two simple icons give you complete control over your diagram. No more wasted time fixing accidental changes. Thanks for watching.